Hey guys, it's Dipen from Best Software Deal, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're taking a look at PerceptPixel, the full-stack image management, storage, and content delivery network that helps you create web-optimized images. Jump into your dashboard to find analytics on your storage, your bandwidth, and more. You can use the Settings tab to manage everything, from your profile to your org's information. Let's start transforming your first image. First, you'll be able to resize it while preserving the aspect ratio. You can reduce file sizes by at least 60% without any perceived loss in image quality. How cool is that? PerceptPixel will automatically generate photo captions, which you can edit at any time. Next, you'll be able to pick from AI-generated image tags. These tags help you search the library to find the right image fast. Then you can convert images to PNG, JPG, or web files without sacrificing quality. Alright, I'm going to slow down so you can click that Buy Now button already. Not ready yet? No worries. I've got loads more to show you. With this tool, you can add photo effects to your images and optimize them for SEO. Pro tip, Eco Mode is the way to go. In the end, you can track all the changes and compare the original size to the new version. You can even create new versions if you want to try different settings. If you want to remove or switch out the background, just choose from one of the textures in the library. When you're done making changes, you can save it to PerceptPixel CDN. You'll be able to copy the image URL, embed it on your website, share it, and download it. Can it get any easier? Not really. PerceptPixel gives you everything you need to optimize all your images for the web. Hit Buy Now to grab this lifetime deal while you still can.